In this video, I will show how to create a whiteboard animation video in Canva. So, select your size, then create new design. Now here click on text. Now type your text here. Change font style or whatever you need. Now firstly download as a PNG. Here click on apps. Search here speed point. Search here speed paint. Now choose your picture. Now choose a picture which you downloaded before. Now select the time, color field, duration. Then click on you can select any hand style. Then click on animate image. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you can delete your first image. Now adjust the size for this animated video. Now run this video. So this way you can create this animated video. Thanks for watching.